Thank you so much for checking in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. I absolutely love this time of the year. That's when the new models start to show up, and this one here is the very first 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Just showed up, so we're gonna go over first look, what's new, what's going on with this one. So the biggest change with 2025 is that there's additional trim level. It's called SC. This one here is ES, and the SE is going to be positioned between this ES and the LE trim level. So for the PHEV version 2025, there are trim levels ES, SE, LE, SEL, GT, GTP, and NOIR Edition. New to 2025 is that NOIR Edition is going to be basically a permanent trim level. So that's something new because there's only very limited amount of NOIR Editions in 2024. It was an absolute hit. People loved it. So Mitsubishi made it a permanent trim level. We absolutely love that fact as well. I will do many walk around and comparison videos, so just make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because a lot of those are coming your way. So let's talk about a little bit on the SE trim level, because that's the biggest news for the trim level changes. Here's what's going to be new on the SE trim level styling. So you'll have front and rear silver skid plate styling. So on SE we can see we're plastic here. On SE it's going to be silver. We have LED fog lights. We'll have heated folding side view mirrors, silver roof rails, panoramic sunroof with sunshade, 3-zone automatic climate control, fast key, keyless entry, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate with adjustable height. That's that kick motion. Absolutely love that function, and that's added to SE trim level. As we just discussed, the NOIR Edition is going to be a permanent trim level, which is based on GTP trim level, so you'll get fully blacked out, massage seats and all that stuff. Absolutely happy with that. Now, there's no changes to engine, battery size or range, so that is exactly the same it was with 2024, so there's no changes to that. And again, on the full EV charge, it's rated for about 62 kilometers EV range. I've squeezed out personally about like 90 kilometers. I've done those tests on my channel, so if you're new to this channel, watching for the first time, make sure you go to the channel, browse it a little bit more. I've done a lot of different walkarounds, a lot of different tests. There's also some changes in the color selection as well. So the deep bronze color no longer will be available on the PHEV trim levels on any of them, so that's gone. And the two-tone color palette is extended for GT and GT Premium. So you'll get a graphite gray with black roof, red diamond with black roof, Sterling silver with black roof. Absolutely love these black roof options. Just based on customer feedback, those are always very well received, and if we have 10 PHEVs and few of them with black roofs, the black roofs will sell out the fastest, no doubt about it. And the graphite gray is an absolute hit for Mitsubishi Outlander. So this one here is a graphite gray. We can see how really nicely it looks. You can keep it chrome, you can black it out, you can add the black roof, you can do so much with it, and no matter what you do, it's going to look very cool. If you leave it 100% stock, it also looks cool. So we're really happy about that. There's also some changes with how you will be able to use your Mitsubishi app for safeguard and remote services. And let's talk about right now a little bit about what's changed, what's the remote services, and what are the safeguard services. I really like the interior of the base ES Outlander. A lot of people just care about getting the PHEV, getting the EV functionality of it. They don't care too much about options, and this is exactly where the ES trim level comes in. Very nice seats, nice steering wheel. We have fully digital screen and everything else. This definitely doesn't feel like base. So very good interior in this 2025 Outlander PHEV. But right now, let's talk about the app. So when it comes to the app functionality, everything can be split in two categories: remote services and safeguard services. And the current 2-year safeguard and remote offering will be changed to 5-year safeguard and 1-year remote offering. So again, it used to be 2 years for everything. Now it's changed: 1 year for remote offering and 5 year for safeguard. And let's cover first the remote services that you get for 1 year right now. So the remote services are remote door lock, unlock, horn, lights, vehicle finder, climate control start, climate control schedule, cabin temperature set function, remote speed alert, curfew alert, geofence alert. So all of those are remote services. So basically you can see where your car is, start your car, tweak your temperature, do all that stuff. That's all for 1 year. And then the safeguard services are safety services, which are automatic collision notification, SOS emergency assistance, remote vehicle status, and you have alarm notification, roadside assistance, stolen vehicle assistance, dealer service schedule, remote charge schedule, remote charge start, remote battery status check, charge plug status, charge complete notification, charge complete timer, estimated driving range. So those are safeguard services, and they're all for 5 years. So just keep that in mind. Whenever you're up for a year, you'll need to renew. I'm not sure exactly how much that costs. I think Mitsubishi has come up with the pricing, but I'm sure there's some deals to be had and everything else. So that's a change between 2 years and 5 and 1 right now. So again, a lot of people would prefer to extend to a certain time. So there we go. We just covered the very first 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV in graphite gray base ES trim level. And again, I'll be covering a lot more in my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next videos. I'll be back.